Starting my day off with eating another portion for lunch, you know? Gotta have my chicken and rice. I've been officially daily vlogging for over 2 weeks now, so it's kind of insane, honestly. I don't know how I'm still doing this, to be for real with you. It's literally just me filming myself every day and just uploading. I'm also gonna have some Primal Kitchen ranch with it, so yeah, healthy ranch. Okay, here it is when it's microwaved. I put some cheese on top actually too, to melt. And then, yeah, I'm gonna put a little bit of Primal Kitchen ranch, and this should be pretty good. As you can see, it's kind of rainy out, so that's why I think today is gonna be the first day in 2 weeks where I actually stay home the entire day. And because there's not really much food in the house, and you know, I ate my lunch, which is pretty, you know, high in protein. I think for dinner, I decided I would order Taco Bell, but it's not anything crazy. It's not like, grilled cheese burritos or chalupas or anything like that. They're just kind of like, it's just like a normal, bowl or something, I don't know. Either way, to make this video interesting, I'm gonna give you a house tour. You know, this is the Brain Core compound. You kind of see it sometimes when I'm here. I'm barely ever here filming, so yeah, why not for today just give you a house tour? Because, I don't know, haven't really shown you much of the house. Right, Cash?
Also call the toilet, Mr. Ray.
Christian just clogged the toilet. Sounds like he's doing something weird in there. He's always hurrying for work, you know? But hey, he's a steering gamer. He always gets the job done, right? Guess what I'm wearing? It's not a body spray this time. It is a cologne. Love is a gamble. Let's get it. Here we go. Barely got to spray much. We're good. All right, here we go. Got a Baja Blast Zero Sugar and then my normal stuff. Okay, welcome to the Brain Core house. All right, the Brain Core compound. When you look right here, you see a bunch of pictures of Syrian Gamer, me, and this side's all me. We go right to the left from the front door. Over here's the main living room. I'll show more of it. Garage, the garage. So, right when you walk in, you just got an AC unit, of course, washer and dryer, the PC, and a bike. Yeah, just normal stuff in the garage, I guess. I don't know. We walk into the living room. We got a Wild Cash right here. And right over here is the massage chair by the front door. This is a remote control, and like basically you can recline this and have a massage. Got a TV, the Xbox, Switch, a pool table right there. Just a bunch of random DVDs and video games. We walk over here. We enter the kitchen / dining room. Here's the kitchen. Got a sink, got some vitamins, gummies, protein bars. 4:05 is the time right now I'm filming this. It's got an oven, oven, stove, microwave. Hello, a Brain Core. And then we got the refrigerator, the ultimate part of this house. Got some, normal groceries and stuff like that. Sauces over here, Primal Kitchen ranch. And in the freezer, we got a bunch of stuff such as ice cream, pineapple chunks that I like, popsicles, and other frozen stuff, yeah. Coming to the pantry, just got a whole bunch of snacks, a bunch of cat treats right there, plates, and just dry food. Right here is the dining room. Got a table, the Baja Blast Zero, and we come out from the whole house, so far this whole main area. We come out into here. Now here's the back porch. You see the whole Brain Core backyard. You got a cat walking out. We got a treadmill. This one exercise machine. I used to have a boxing punching bag here, but it kind of rotted, which I'm kind of sad about because I gotta buy a new one, that means, because I like hitting it. And then we also got a cat tower, the ultimate cat playground. And we got a TV out here too. Speaker, another litter box, angel, and yeah, it's pretty much the whole porch. All right, now we enter the hallway. We go into the bathroom first. This is the bathroom from the main area. This is where I do my body sprays. Obviously, we're good. And we got a toilet. We got this is the shower. Christian had the plunger because he had to unclog the toilet, and native shampoo and stuff like that. And right here, the Brain Core vibe room. This is my room. around the back of the house, back corner, TV. You've pretty much seen this room a lot. You know, my desk is where I film my reviews usually. Got my body spray thing set up. The window, hats, PS4, printer, the bed that looks like it's not made, but it really is. We open this window up to the beautiful backyard where I was out on the porch. We cannot access this door because it's always blocked off because the caveman's living in there, but it's whatever. We got a cat meowing. She wants to come in. I don't want to, show anything else like the other two main rooms because basically that's kind of just breaking in, so I don't want to be doing that. Alright, thanks so much for watching, guys. If you enjoy, make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below for video ideas, and best of all, peace.